So in this iMovie tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to add transitions between different clips here in iMovie. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up iMovie. Now for this demonstration, I'm just going to go ahead and add a bunch of different backgrounds, sort of a bunch of different clips, you could say, to this demonstration. So for right now, I just sort of have a blue-white gradient. I'm going to add perhaps maybe this red gradient right here. I'll do that. And how about I add as well just one more for simplicity's sake. I'll add this pattern background here. So I have three different backgrounds, three different clips for this video. Now to add transitions between clips in iMovie, it's actually pretty self-explanatory. So first off, if you add some more clips to the video, it automatically comes with the transition. So if I were to play this right here, it plays. There's going to be an automatic transition right there. But if you wanted to maybe edit that, or if it's deleted for whatever reason, it's pretty straightforward. So first off, just go to the transition point, press on it. Then at the bottom, if you press on none, for instance, so if there's no transition right here, it's going to show up with none. And if you want to add a transition, just simply add it right here. You can select whatever one you want. There you go. We'll just do wipe transition. We'll play that, and then it wipes. Also, the same thing works if you want to maybe split this clip up right there. As of right now, there's no transition. If you wanted to change that, just press on the transition. We'll go to slide, play right here, and there you go. So pretty straightforward. That's how you guys can add transitions between clips here in iMovie. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.